In this video, we will cover the latest pricing updates from Unity. Will these changes be enough for Unity to rise from the ashes? Well, I guess we will find out. Last week, Unity posted an update of its pricing that created a strong reaction in the game community. The most infamous points being the new runtime fee, the controversy over the terms of services, and the fact that in some cases, a developer could pay more than what he earns. Today, we will look at how Unity has updated their pricing compared to their initial announcement. As a Unity developer, it was really hard for me to make this video. I am heavily invested with Unity, emotionally, financially, and professionally. Alright, so let's start first with the changes to Unity Personal. 1. Unity Personal will not be affected by the new runtime fee. 2. The revenue threshold to be able to stay in this plan goes from $100,000 to $200,000. 3. The Made with Unity splash screen is optional, starting from the next LTS version. Unity is still removing Unity Plus, but most of the benefits from Plus are now integrated into Unity Personal. Alright, now another key change is that the new pricing will be forward-facing and not retroactive. So this means that as long as you are not using Unity LTS 2023, you won't be affected by this new pricing. This is a big relief for games that are already released and that don't need to update to the next Unity version. Alright, now let's review the conditions that will make you subject to the new fee. 1. You are on Unity Pro or Enterprise. 2. You are using the next LTS version or above. 3. You generated more than 1 million gross revenue on a trailing 12 months basis. And 4. You have more than 1 million lifetime initial engagements. Quick note, this fee does not apply if you are on a film, gambling, or education subscription plan. If you validate the conditions, then you have to pay the fee and you can choose between the lesser of either 2.5 revenue share of your game or a fee calculated based on initial engagements. So basically, you will never pay more than 2.5% of revenue at worst. Whatever you choose, the number you provide to Unity are self-reported. This means that you are the one validating and sending the data, not Unity. What changed also is that Unity is not talking about installs anymore, but rather initial engagements. But what do they mean by that? Well, you can find the official definition in their FAQ, but from what I understand, it means the amount of sales minus refunds, that's useful for premium games, or first-time user downloads, useful for free-to-play games. On their FAQ, you can also find an updated version of the table that explains the rate of this initial engagement fee. They also now provide a fee calculator available online. This was missing in the first announcement, but it's here now. Feel free to try it out. Another point made in this new update is that you will be able to keep the terms of services you accepted for the version you are using. They actually re-uploaded the GitHub repo that tracks the changes of their terms of services. It was taken down a few months ago, but now it's back. I recommend you to read it for yourself. Those were the big changes compared to the initial announcement. And the rest is pretty much the same. I highly recommend you to read the official pricing update to make sure you understand every point. So what are you going to do? Are you still planning to use Unity? Please give me your opinion in the comment section below. I mean, overall, these are great changes compared to the initial announcement. With these new terms, there is no doubt that Unity is still a very competitive engine. However, last week's events was a clear reminder that Unity is a game engine, just like Unreal or Godot, and that it is foolish for me to put all my eggs in one basket. So, even if I'm still going to use Unity in the future, I am also going to expand my horizon and try different engines. I will also try to cover more diverse topics on game development in this YouTube channel. I hope you take some time to think about the situation and choose what's best for you. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I wish you all the best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to turn on notifications.